Day 2. Today in Hawaii, we're heading to Pearl Harbor. Monica told us to come here. Sahar told me to come here. So it's one of the most popular spots. We just got here not too long ago and it is packed. There's no parking, we had to drive around. And yeah, let's check it out. Skip out on getting like a tour or anything because it's all scheduled. The times that they had, we would have to wait and then do the tour and then have to go back and do our other scheduled stuff that we want to drive around the whole island. And we're gonna head out and try to find a waterfall. Monica gave us a cool hiking trail that you can find a waterfall, so hopefully that's what we'll catch. Let's go hiking and burn these calories and then go eat again and get them back. This got us 10 times more excited than anything else so far in Hawaii. Driving up here, we like to hike. So we like to go and check out places and walk around. And the more higher and higher we got, and the greener and greener it got
more exciting.
See those? They're pineapples. It feels like we're in the jungle.
With pineapple trees and everything.
With pineapple trees, it's so green. I haven't even thought about snakes, but I don't really care right now. No matter where you turn, green, trees. Look at this. And look. There's angels here too. Uh-oh. So you guys saw that the trail was closed. And asked Karina if she wanted to go in front. Because Mrs. Let's keep going a little more. Well, yeah, you know how it is, men. They toss us first. If something bad happens to me, she's running the other way.
Booking it.
Oh, I don't know where we are.
We did it.
I don't know what we did. All we did is find another trail. Where King Kong just needs to pop up right here.
So whenever you go hiking, don't wear white shoes.
What are those? The wrong shoes. That's alright.
Number one.
Look at the ones I'm wearing. Fancy ones.
Your new shoes.
We didn't plan it. We just said let's go. So we're gonna go in the car. We're gonna go down. Park at by the Monoa Trail starting spot and try to catch that waterfall. Come on. We're lost.
We're like 2 minutes in and we feel like we're already lost.
You coming?
Yep.
Look how fake I can make it look like I'm at the jungle. Watch. I want to make sure that I see the waterfall for the first time with you guys. Holy crap. Okay, now I saw it.
Staring right at you.
Yeah, I had no idea. You good? That's it. We finished the waterfall, super duper cool. People say that it's not safe to swim. People saying that it is safe to swim.
It's contaminated, you're gonna get a rash.
People had died, and another guy comes and goes, it's safe to swim here.
Super safe.
Slow and steady wins the race. Hello, 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 hello. I'm an idiot.
You're an idiot.
Hello! Hello! I'm an idiot! You're an idiot!
Oh, Mrs. Fast Pace now.
Gotta catch that. You know that the turtle won that race, right?
No, it didn't. Not in my book. We made it. We're hungry.
We were hungry though.
I don't know what that means.
Sandwiches.
Oh my god, guys. It's finally happening. I got laid. I knew it was gonna be a good birthday.